Here we have a standard 16-inch dispense Matic, bottle Matic labeler, and we're going to put your labels on here. I'm going to show you how we load it up. It's actually very, very easy. We basically have a few pieces here. We have a rod that has a clamp-mounted piece here, and then we have a spring that goes on here, and then we have these two guide plates. And then inside the guide plates, we have these core holders. So we put the labels on the core holder, and then put the other core holder on the other side. And another plate. And then we tighten down these thumb screws. Now the labels come in from the bottom, so we're going to have the bottom feeding out, and we hang it on these ridges here, and then there's also a rod on the bottom that will accept these notches in the plates. Feed the labels in, I'm going to peel a few labels off the liner and just feed the liner material through. We have two plates here, an upper plate and a bottom plate, and they converge kind of like a funnel. So you put the liner in between the two plates and push it through, and it'll come out the front, and we'll pull it through till we get to the point where we have a label just about ready to hit the sensor over here. Then we take the liner, feed it back through the top, and the standard unit doesn't have a rewind for the liner. A lot of times you can just put it on a table where it falls off the back end and into a garbage can. Otherwise there is an optional rewind take-up spindle that you can get for it as well. In addition, this one just has a smaller unwind capacity, but there is a larger unwind adapter kit that you can get for it as well. That basically it's a bracket kit that comes off the back end here, and it allows you to hang this rod higher up so that you can get a larger unwind outside diameter. So once we've taken this liner and fed it back, we take this pivoting roller here, and we snap it back into place, and that is what actually pulls the liner through to dispense the label. So now I'm just going to step on the foot switch to advance the label until this mechanical sensor over here can see the label. This detects the lead edge of the label. It's just a small micro switch, so it's not using a photo eye to do that, just a micro switch. Alright, so we just have a few basic adjustments that we do here. Basically, this is these two rollers are where your product sits. Now, depending on the diameter of your product, you can adjust the position of this roller in and out. For smaller products, you can push it in farther, and then you can use this top hold down here to hold down smaller, lightweight products. This product actually doesn't need it, so I can just push this out of the way, and I'm going to pull this out. To about there. And then we just have this here. We have a thumb screw, so we can just adjust the position of this so that we have a guide to place the product. So I'm just going to place the product here to just kind of eyeball where you want the label to be. That looks about centered right there. So I'll just take this, move it in. So now I can easily push this in and out, step on the foot switch, and label the product.